8th graders, this is to help you with question 2 on CR 19. It says triangle UVW is congruent to triangle ABC. That would mean that the corresponding sides have the same length, the corresponding angles have the same measure. They're the exact same size, exact same shape, same area, same perimeter, all that good stuff. If U has coordinates 1, -2, and that corresponds to A, and just by the lettering I can see that U corresponds to A, and V is 5, -5, and that corresponds to B, and I can see by the lettering V corresponds to B, then the coordinates for W must be, okay, so let's take a look. U is 1, -2, that's U. V is 5, -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's V. That corresponds to AB. Again, I don't have a straight edge at home. Not going to be beautiful. But what I do notice here is to get from A to B, I go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and to the right 1, 2, 3. Well, here I go down 1, 2, 3, and over 1, 2, 3, 4. So to get the coordinates of C, I have to be able to have a movement where I go down 2, over 2. And as I look at these points, the only one of these points that will allow me down 2, over 2, because I can see between B and C, you got to go down 2, over 2. The only one that has a shot is to go down 2, over 2 is this. Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me draw in an extra row because I didn't draw in all the rows on the grid. So 1, 2, 3, -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So somewhere around there would be W. Again, my lines aren't very straight, but hopefully you can see that this cuts through 2 boxes. This would cut through 2 boxes. From here to here, we're cutting through, this one's harder to see how many boxes we cut through, but we were given that that was the same length. This angle looks pretty close to 90. Still looks pretty close to 90, maybe a little less. So it seems reasonable that that would be W. I want to show you why all of these other ones don't have a shot. Let's talk about 0, 6. If this and this have to be congruent, 0, 6 doesn't have a shot. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Could you imagine if W was way up there, U, V, and then W way up there? Go ahead, try to draw it in. That would not work at all. So 0, 6 doesn't have a shot. 6, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. Let's pretend we thought that was W. 6, 0. That doesn't have a shot because between B and C, we cut through 2 boxes. V corresponds to B. So how many boxes am I cutting through? I'm going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1. The connection has to be 2 over 2. That doesn't have a shot. And -3, 7. -1, 2, 3. Up 7, way up here. If we were going to say that was W, -3, 7, no way does that have a shot. We'd have to connect U, V, and then W way up there. It would be a crazy skinny triangle. It would look nothing like the original triangle. So if you're struggling with what point to plot to make the triangles congruent, exact same size, exact same shape, what I would suggest is you plot all of the guesses that they give you, and you'll come up with the one that has to work. I hope that helps.